Hi everyone! Welcome back to my cooking channel. My name is Nasreen, and if it's your first time on my page, make sure and hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing healthy juice. This is one of my favorite things to drink after a workout. You know, most people don't eat enough fruits and vegetables, and this is a great way to add it into your diet. I mean, how else are you gonna eat 3 oranges, 6 carrots, 7 celery, apples, ginger, and kale all at once? Alright, so I prepped everything. I'm using this basic juicer from Walmart. It costs about $80. It's really easy to use. You just turn it on, open it up, put some food in there, and push it down. Put our carrots in there, celery, oranges, some pears, and you can put a few pieces at a time. Some apples, some strawberries, some ginger, and last but not least, some kale. Pour some in the cup and enjoy. Fresh juice tastes so much better than anything you would buy in a store. There's a lot of different types of juice, but this is one of my favorites. It's best to drink this within the first 15 to 20 minutes of making it, because after that, the juice starts losing its antioxidants and nutrients. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Bye!